In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to easily customize your Canva website template to fit your brand. I am using my consultant template from my Etsy store for this demo, but you can use these tips for any Canva template. The really nice thing about Canva is that everything that you see on this website is completely customizable. So I suggest creating a brand kit for yourself if you haven't already, so you can keep a consistent look across your website, social media, and all of your marketing materials. This includes things like fonts, colors, and photography styles. Having a cohesive set that you always use is professional and will help with brand recognition. So in this template, you are free to use it as is. Obviously, you want to update your information so it is branded with your business information, your phone number, your email, and it reads like it is your website. But if you want to change the colors and the fonts and obviously change the photos, but if you want to change any of that stuff, this is how you do it. So to change the font, you're just going to go ahead and click here in the text box, and you can change the text to say my business, or you can add a photo if you wanted to actually put your logo in. But let's just say you want to change this font style to something else. So you're in this text box, you're just going to click up here where it says brown sugar, and you'll be able to see all of the different fonts that are available to you. Now, all of my templates do come with free Canva fonts, so you are able to use any of the fonts that are included in my template without any limitations. But if you have a specific brand font that you're already using, you want to stay consistent. So you can upload your own font here if you bought one off of Creative Market or another third-party marketplace, or you can use any of the fonts that are available in Canva. So if there is a little crown next to it, that is a paid pro font. So I am on a pro account, so I can use any of these crown icon fonts or any of the ones that don't have it. Those are free for anybody to use. So you can find a lot of beautiful fonts for free, but I do recommend getting the paid version if you can, because the paid version of Canva just has so many features that it's just totally worth it. But let's change this font here to a free one. We're gonna do Laura. Okay, so I clicked that and you can see that it changed here. If you want to change everything that was in that brown sugar font to Laura, you're just gonna click here and hit change all, and it will easily change everything that was in that brown sugar font over to the other one. Double check, always double check your work. Canva is great and it usually does it without any issues, but occasionally sometimes it misses things. So just double check, but it looks really good. So that is how you change the font. If you want to change the color of the font, you're going to change it right here where it says text color, and very similar to what we just did, we can change that to this green. And if I want to change all of the black text to green, I can click that and it will change everything, which is just so quick and so easy. You can absolutely have this website done within a day, hours even. That is one of the amazing things with Canva, and there's no coding, there's nothing you really have to do. So anyway, let's do color next. So let's change this green. Actually, let's change this white. So you're gonna click a section, whatever color you want to change. You're gonna click right here, and then let's just say we're gonna change it to this gray. Okay, perfect. So that changed to that gray. Now again, I can change everything, or I can just change one thing at a time. Whatever you want to do, it's totally up to you, but you can see everything that was white is now this gray color. And look how easy that is. 2 minutes, not even. I think this tutorial is only 4 minutes so far, and we've already changed the entire look of this page. So for photos, you obviously want to use your own images especially, if this is you and your business, you want to make sure that you're representing it correctly and you're putting photos of yourself and things that you're doing and not using other people's, because that's kind of weird. But if you need to use stock images, Canva has tons of them for you to use. And let's just go ahead and swap this out just for an example. So let's take a look. You're going to go to Elements, and then I already typed in professional woman. Let's just change her to this one. And you're just going to quickly do that. So again, I'll do that in slow motion. This is a pro photo, so I would need to have a pro account in order to publish this, but you can see that there are photos that do not have the pro. I think a lot of the stock images do, but again, you want to be using your own photos ideally. So let's just say we want to swap, or let me just show you this one more time. So you take the image, you drag it onto your site. It's going to be on top, but once you kind of move it over, it's going to click into this frame and it's just going to fill it out perfectly. And that looks really good. So that is so simple, and you can see that we have completely transformed this template, the entire look and feel of it, really, really quickly and easily.